In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Resend to Base44. So first, make sure you are logged into your Base44 account and also into your Resend dashboard. Once you're signed in on Resend, look at the left menu and click on API keys. This is where you'll create or manage your API keys. If you don't already have one, click on Create API Key, then give it a name, choose your permission level like full access or sending only, and select your domain options. After that, click Add, and your new key will appear. You can click on it to view the key, copy it, or export it. Now, once you have your API key, switch over to Base44. In the top navigation bar, hover over Integrations and search for Resend. Click on the Resend integration, and you will see a button that says Use this integration. Click on it, and then paste your Resend API key into the field. Keep in mind that this integration requires backend functions to be enabled, which means you need to be on the Builder plan or higher in Base44. The free tier won't allow this connection. Once you activate the integration, you'll be able to send reliable transactional emails directly from your Base44 app using Resend. This works great for onboarding emails, login notifications, password resets, verification emails, and any automated messages your app needs. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 tutorials.